Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign into Onlyfans using Twitter. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type onlyfans.com and log in. Well, as you can see, I have already logged in. Now this is the homepage. What I want to do is focus on the left nav bar that I will see right here and go to this More tab. Let's click on it. Now here's the settings. Let's click on it again. Now here is our profile. You can add photos, your cover photo and anything. Let's scroll down on this profile tab and you will find lots of infos regarding here. Now let's go to this account. Well, as you can see, in this linked accounts tab, here is the Twitter account and here's the Google account. In our previous video, we already connected our Google account. Now let's try to connect our Twitter account as well. Click on this Twitter account button and again sign in with Twitter. I had already logged in to my Twitter account, so if you have not, do log in right now and authorize app. Right here is the authorize app. If you want to authorize it, simply click on it, else click on cancel. Let's click on authorize app right now. And as you can see, we have successfully connected our Twitter account as well. Now let's try to log in with our Twitter account. For that, I'll simply log out. Here's the logout button, simply click on it. Now here's the login page. Now I'm gonna try to sign in with Twitter. Here's the sign in with Twitter button. Let's click on it. Enter your Twitter credentials. Now once everything's okay, click on this sign in button right now. Now sign in to Twitter once again. Select the account from which I created my Twitter. And right now I'm logged into Twitter. Again, let's go to onlyfans.com. Select the sign in with Twitter option. And there you have it. We have successfully signed into OnlyFans using Twitter. That's it for the video, guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.